Here's documentary part 3, 2 minutes later after we got over the gunshot, because we're in city limits, and if people are hunting, they need to go get shot too. So, there's like the front of the car, and it's kind of missing the hood, and look, it actually has a headlight.
So you want to take a break and look at the videos and stuff and see if there's anything, and I'll look at my pictures and you'll take interesting. Because I hear them more likely to stop these pictures.
There's just the frame of the car. It actually has its tires. The front tires are completely gone. And there's some engine. And there's like a kitchen metal chair with an awesome steering wheel that does not move at all.
Yeah, see?
We do it again, I didn't videotape it. It's completely
Might have to do with the fact that there's no wheels.
Oh. And that helps too. Hey, this one still has a name.
It says Savoy. There are 2 Savoy cars out here that I've seen. There's one Calavera or something.
Conversa or something. It's over here.
Go check out. Hey, Sexy.
Side view.
It's this car.
Yeah, I know. I was checking out my sexy car over there. It has ghosties. Okay, so here's this one. It's just half of a... We don't even know. This one's actually fairly not as old because it's a station wagon. And
Actually, safety wagons are really old.
well,
And this is really old because look, this window is a complete window that rolls down. We did that in cars because they were too lazy to make it. So I'm going to call my dad and ask him about it. He'll probably know.
okay. She's calling her daddy.
Ask him about it.
Can you see that? I can't bend over that far. Oh well, if you can't, screw you.